Hi everyone. In today's video, we learn how to use the YouTube inspiration tab. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description, right? So first of all, you can find the inspiration tab in your YouTube studio when you go over here and go to content and click on inspiration. Now this is where you can play with it, right? So this channel of mine is for YouTube tips, features, how to navigate, how to grow on YouTube, right? So it has by default given me topics on which I want to create and generate ideas for my next videos. So you can see they have by default suggested some for me, or I can choose the topic on which I want to create the next video. So maybe I will search audience psychology if I want to create a video. So I will just select audience psychology, or even you can type your own thoughts, and I have just clicked on explore ideas. Now you can see they have generated topics for me. Basis audience psychology, what videos can be created for YouTube channel growth strategy, and anything pertaining to this, right? So you can gain a lot of them, and this is as per YouTube's AI tool. Now suppose I want to scale a content, right? So I will ask them to uh, share me ideas on what I can create and what is missing on YouTube. So this is not only about what you can create, but YouTube will show what is missing on YouTube and where there is a demand for the topics, right? Let me give in a prompt, right? Now this is a very generic topic, creating YouTube channel. Let me see what YouTube shows. Right, so now they are showing YouTube channel naming the ultimate guide to standing out. So this is what YouTube thinks should work if you create a video around this. Your first YouTube video from concept to viral launch. Micro niche magic, how to find your untapped YouTube audience. So if I create YouTube videos around this topic, it will help me grow myself as a channel, and that is what you can use this inspiration tab for. Now I'm trying something with YouTube Studio feature. Right now you can see they are sharing insights on what videos can be created when it comes to YouTube Studio features. Unlocking YouTube Studio's retention graph, pinpoint exact drop-offs with Saave. YouTube Studio hidden analytics, master affinity, audience affinity, and demographics. So this is the way you can play with your inspiration tabs. You can click on this further, and it will show how this channel can fit your channel. You can develop this idea, you can save this idea, so you can revisit it, right? So they will show you why this will help my channel grow, how my expertise will help this video, and how I can address the creator pain points, right? So this is the way you can use the inspiration tab, and if you have saved any video, it will appear over here. So that's the way you can use the inspiration tab to grow your channel, get ideas for your channel, and eventually go ahead with the video creation. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section. And if you are like this video, please like the video and subscribe to your channel if you haven't yet.